Namaste! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Tadang! Surprise! It's me! Nanghiram pa ako ng maskara to surprise all of you. Kumusta kayong lahat? Greetings from Scotch Plains, New Jersey, where I am. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Miss ko na ang alikabok ng Kathmandu. Miss ko na ang Momo. Miss ko na ang FCN. Wala akong community dito. I'm still looking. But anyway, kaya ako napadalaw kahit man lang through this video is to greet some important people at magbigay pugay. Narinig kong paalis si Pastor James, si Kay and family. For a while, I hope pabalik sila. Let's all hope and pray na bumalik sila dahil kailangan pa natin sila sa FCN. Anyway, sabi ko when I heard that they are leaving na I really have to pay tribute. Kasi hindi lang ako kundi ang buong FCN I feel owe a lot to Pastor James and family. I always say na tayo, ang community natin ay nagtatagumpay. It's not just the work of one but the work of many. Everyone pulling contributing their hand and helping in whatever way they can. Pero ang isang pamilya, hindi lang tao, kundi isang buong pamilya na ang alam ko, ang laki-laki ng tulong sa atin si Pastor James and his family. So I really have to pay tribute to him. Ang dami-dami nating na-achieve na hindi natin ma-achieve kung wala siya dyan quietly working behind the scenes. Yung Filipiniana Night, alam nyo, ang dami-daming Filipino communities around the world. Pero siguro tayo pa lang ang nakapag-stage ng a successful cultural show na kahit papano, kahit konti, kumita naman at nailagay pa natin sa proyekto. No? Ngayon, pinipilit na tayong gayahin ng iba. Ang Myanmar has a strong Filipino community with also a very dynamic president. In Norway, I understand meron ding Filipino community doon. Pero tayo pa lang, we can claim to be the first one may cultural show na hindi Independence Day, kundi a cultural show of our own. 2, may community projects na gumagalaw. So tap your back, clap your hands for all of us, for the effort. Pero special mention, I must say, must go to Pastor James, Kay, and family. Kasi they've been working behind the scenes, quiet, hindi naman sila officer, no? Pero ang naibigay nilang panahon at pagmamahal, hindi ganun-ganun na lang. More than some of the officers siguro, pero of course, everybody contributed a hand, but I must praise him and I think hindi natin na itawid yung Filipiniana Night kung hindi sa kanya at sa tulong ng pamilya niya. Yung choir, si Kay, siguro kung hindi siya mapasyensya sa atin, paano niya na put into a hole ang mga boses nating pumupunta sa kaliwa at sa kanan at kung saan-saan pa. So, at saka si Pastor James, natangos ang takong ng sapatos niyan, kalalakad ng sponsors, dahil hindi ako pwede mag full time at that time, I had work. Nag-take siya ng leave para pamunuan itong initiative na ito. At nagpunta rin siya ng dadding, he helped me coordinate that. Pag hindi kasama yung buong tropa, siya yung kasama ko to coordinate things. Siya rin yung, I always say, siguro kung nare-remember nyo yung mga emails ko in the past, he is the wind beneath my wings. Siya yung taga-tulong pag ako yung nabibisit sa ibang tao, siya ang what do you call this? Taga-ayos ng mga gusot behind the scenes, taga-lakad ng mga dapat lakarin pag may dapat kausaping tao para ayusin ang mga He was always pulling strings and getting us all together. So I salute him. He's a great help. He's a great leader in himself. Although he always chose to be behind the scenes, I remembered when with all due respect to Joyville and the present officers who've done a really great job keeping up the momentum, and in fact more after I left. But before, nung nalaman kong patapos na ang term ko sa Nepal and that I have to leave, kinakausap ko si James, sige na James, if you can be the next president of FCN. Pero, syempre, meron pa siyang ibang mission sa buhay and he has to be low-key. Happy naman ako at we've also chosen the next best, si Joyville. She's been very energetic in leading the community, very social, mas mataas ang social skills niyan sa akin. Remembering everyone on their birthdays, on all occasions. So dapat si Joyville ay bumalik na rin in a short while at namimiss ka na ng community mo sa Nepal. Anyway, but si James and Kay and family have contributed a whole lot to making our community grow to be the strong community that it is today. Tagalogin ko yon. Dahil sa kanya at sa tulong niya sa atin, bagay na bagay kay Pastor James yung pangalan na Pastor of the Flock. Siya yung pastor na pag may mga naliligaw na tupa, binabalik niya sa fold. At pag merong mga matitigas ang ulo, siya ang unang-unang kumakausap. Hindi ko siguro ma-manage during my time kung wala siyang nakaalalay. And I learned a lot from him also in his people skills, no? Kung paano mag-deal sa mga tao, kung paano maging mapasyensya, natuto akong makinig. And that's why I've made him board member of our community. Si Kay naman, at hindi lang si James, no? The whole family contributed a lot to FCN, so we really need to thank them. Si Kay, pinagpasyensyahan niya ang ating mga boses na kumakaliwa, kumakanan, kung saan-saan pumupunta. Biruin mo, may choir tayo na tumutunog ng ayos. Salamat yan kay Kay. At sa mga magagandang posters, yung Tail in the Donkey, I remember, sabi ko, ay, ang galing pala ni Kay sa sketching. At si Pen Ren, and Joshua, nung kukunti pa lang ang members ng choir. I see now that the choir has grown to be such a big choir. Nung kukunti pa lang, sila yung nagpakapal ng mga boses, nagpadami by their attendance. Of course, nandun rin yung iba, no? Si Arlene, si Joel. At ngayon, I'd like to thank si Joyville, si Marida for keeping up the energy, keeping up our community strong. Si Doc Anil, si Sha, the good old reliables. Yung mga bago, si Lucy, si Christine, keep it up. And I'm glad to see also Shirley and the others. Yung hindi ko mabanggit, huwag sumama ang loob nyo. I'm just so far away na hindi ko maalala lahat. But I'm grateful to all of you. Jyoti and Jerel, I hope you will be also more active. Kailangan ng FCN, ng talents ninyo. Si Lucy and si Sujan. Si Sujan yung naglakad ng ating Alay Nepal papers. Ituloy nyo yung Alay Nepal. At yung, eto na naman ako nagle-lecture as if ako pa rin ang presidente, hindi na naman, ano, pak, kailangang masabihan minsan. Pero gusto ko lang na mapatuloy natin ang ating nasimulan. At yung dating, I heard from Pastor James' report na kahit na konti na lang ang tulong natin doon, patuloy na gumagalaw yon, no? And umaani ng some achievements. So, patuloy niyong gabayan at ang achievement nila ay achievement rin natin as a community. FCN deserves really a pat in the back, no? We have continued, we have prospered through mga awayan, criticism, lahat. Minsan, huwag kayong matakot pag may awayan, okay lang yan. It's part of the dynamics. Ang hindi raw nag-away na community ay hindi nagiging malakas, no? Pag tayo nasusubok, lalo tayong tumatatag. At bahagi yan ng kultura ng isang organisasyon. Pag puro yes man, pag puro polite ang mga tao, wala tayong bagong na-achieve, wala tayong hindi nababangga yung old ideas natin into new ones. So bahagi yan ng paglago ng isang organisasyon na minsan may di pagkakaunawaan. Make those instances opportunities to grow. Halimbawa, nung unang-unang may nag-challenge sa atin, no, sa FCN, saan napunta yung pondo, lalo nating i-prove na nandyan naman yung pondo, iniisa-isa lang natin kung saan yan dapat pumunta. At saka hindi talaga mawawala ang some people will try to put us down. Sabi nga may kasabihan sa Tagalog, pag pag ang puno ay pinupukol, ibig sabihin maraming bunga, ano? So I wish to see more people active. Leia, sila Kenneth, all the others. Balik kayo sa community or continue to be active kasi kayo yung matagal na nandyan. In the future, we hope to see you as the future leaders of FCN. Si Doc Anil and siya, nandyan naman na. Siguro sila yung will take that torch after us. Pero mabalik tayo kay Pastor James and family. I'd like to thank them on behalf of FCN. Talagang we would not have traveled the long miles that we walked. Hindi siguro tayo makakarating kung saan natin inasam na makarating kung wala kayo dyan. Doing all the legwork, doing all the nitty-gritty details that not all of us can do. Dahil yung iba may trabaho, yung iba may mga pamilya, lahat naman tayo may mga ginagawa, pero you took time out of your busy schedule, leave pa siya during Filipiniana night. Pag may away, siya yung naglalakad para kausapin yung mga magkakalayong partido. Minsan yung isa nasa kabilang part of town, nasa New Baneshwar. Yung iba nandito sa Pulchok. Wala naman siyang sasakyan kundi natangos ang takong ng kanyang sapatos. At minsan pinapag-drive pa rin niya ako pag may mga lakad going to Dading. We really all owe a lot to him, and he deserves all the praise, all the accolades. Ang wish ko in this furlough for you and your family, that you continue to gain strength, that this furlough will recharge your energies, ma-focus kung saan talaga ang punta nyo. Pero sana, pinagdadasal ko, at I'm sure pinagdadasal rin ng marami sa inyo, na yung sunod na landas nyo ay pabalik sa Nepal at sa Kathmandu, dahil kailangan pa namin kayo. Kailangan pa kayo ng FCN. Although, hindi na sanggol ang FCN, kumbaga, musmus na batang naglalakad, kailangan pa rin yan ng akay. And you've been that pastor to the flock. Si Kay naman, kailangan ka pa namin sa choir. At in fact, nagbabalak akong bumalik in my retirement para ipagpatuloy yung Alay Nepal. Gumawa tayo ng projects, makakakuha tayo ng funding para hindi lang puro kawang gawa. Sana makapagbigay rin tayo ng hanap buhay sa kapwa natin Pilipinong nandyan sa Nepal, no? Kaya sana yung mga talagang matagalang nandyan, yung mga housewives, misses, at saka yung kanilang mga shrimam, maging active rin sa FCN at sa Alay Nepal. So for James and Kay, naalala ko pala nga yung choir, baka paulit-ulit na ako. Kasi naalala ko yung choir nung kukunti pa lang kami. I was so thankful na nandyan si Pen, with ganadong-ganado siyang kumanta. And you know, the voices of children are like the voices of angels from heaven. And they contribute to making our choir beautiful nung kukunti pa. Pero ngayong marami na, salamat. Pero sinimulang lahat yan ni Pastor James at ni Kay at ng pamilya nila. Siguro, tumayo tayong lahat. Palakpakan sila ng matagal at masigabo sa lahat ng contribution nila sa atin, samahan sa ating community. Sila ang bagong bayani ng FCN at ng Filipino community sa Nepal. Let's wish them well in the next leg of their journey, at ipagdasal natin hindi sila masyadong magtagal bumalik ulit sa Filipino community in Nepal. At sa inyong lahat, good luck, ipagpatuloy nyo ang inyong ginagawa. Congrats to Joy, Marida, Arlene, ikaw na lang yung natitirang original sa board. Pagpatuloy mong gabayan ang samahan, Joel, and all the others. At yung mga dati na nandyan, continue to be active. Sabi ko nga, our organization is only as good as your participation. Kailangan ng samahan. Para sa inyo rin ito. At sana pagbalik ko at pagbalik ni na Pastor James, andyan pa rin kayong lahat. At kung meron mang konting awayan, humanap kayo ng sunod na magiging pastor of the flock while they are away. So, James, Kay, I wish you luck in the next leg of your journey. Pagpatnubayan kayo ng Panginoon, at alam kong dahil what you always do, you always dedicate to the one above, that you will be blessed. But as I said in a private email to you, I am selfish in that gusto kong, on behalf of FCN, gusto ko talagang bumalik pa kayo dyan at patuloy niyong gabayan ang ating samahan natin. And I hope all the others will learn from them, no? In maturity, in outlook, in being guided by God in everything we do. And we will not fail, despite some people or some others trying to belittle our efforts. FCN will continue to be there as long as you are there. Pero pag-pray natin bumalik agad si Pastor James, si Kay, at si Pen at si Joshua. Paano na lang si AJ pag wala na si Joshua dyan, ang kanyang friend. So, let's all stand up and give thanks at palakpakan natin ng masigabo ang bayani ng FCN, ang pamilyang Sarenas, si Pastor James, si Kay, and wish them well, and wish that they come back mabalos, or ano na nga yung sinasabi sa Nepali, peribeton la, or till we meet again. Sa inyong lahat, namaste. Hope I can come back also some other time, if not now, in the future. Ay, nalimutan kong tanggalin na salamin ko. Okay, see you. Namaste. See you next time again.